We are looking at LSAT Prep Test 84, Analytical Reasoning Section 4, questions 7 through 11. Game 2 is a grouping and ordering game. The facts are as follows. There are 4 actors, F, G, H, and L. There are also 4 projects, W, X, Y, and Z. Each actor is assigned to exactly 1 project. The rules are as follows. Rule 1. Either F or L must be grouped with Z. Rule 2. If G is not grouped with W, then F is grouped with W. Rule 3. If F is not grouped with W, then H is grouped with Y. Rule 4. F must be placed immediately before G. Rule 5. H must be last. Now let's draw a diagram and make deductions. Because Rule 2 is a conditional statement, we can note its contrapositive. If F is not grouped with W, then G must be grouped with W. This would mean either F or G must be grouped with W. Rule 3 is also a conditional statement. Its contrapositive is if H were not grouped with Y, then F must be grouped with W. Next, we can split the game board using Rule 4. In the first instance, F and G block can appear in the first and second slots respectively. In the second instance, F and G block can appear in the second and third slots. In both instances, H must appear last. We can further split the game board. In one instance, we can give F assigned to W. This would force L to be grouped with Z. Then the remaining projects X and Y are interchangeable. In another instance, we can have G assigned to W. Because F is not assigned to W, we know from Rule 3 that H must be assigned to Y. This would leave the remaining projects Z and X to be interchangeable. In the third instance, we can also group F with W. In this case, L would then be grouped with Z. The remaining actors X and Y are interchangeable. In the last instance, we can have G to be grouped with W. This would force H to be grouped with Y per Rule 3. Then L must be grouped with Z. This would leave F to be grouped with X. Now we are ready to answer the questions.